do a quick video overview of what I did for this week's assignment. I expanded on the previous assignment of ninjas flipping out and all that other fun stuff. I went ahead and tried to keep it pretty clean over here in TextMate. I used similar variables as last time. Of course, I left in deliver one. Let me just update that. Our ninja's still in the mystical order of the 5 stars, but this time instead of one target, it has several targets. Perfect use of an array here. And he's only had 25 kills today, so I guess the day is just getting started. Everything pretty much sticks to course. A couple things that I think is kind of fun is, for example, when the ninja goes on a killing spree here, it doesn't just do a simple loop. It's actually, of course, doing a function call to check that there's enough victims yet. Also, it's picking a number at random between 0 and 25 of the number of kills for this instance of loop, this iteration, until it meets or exceeds the body count here. And it adds that to the target kills, which is all the way up here, which is kind of a global variable of how many kills have happened during today. This wasn't too big of an expansion, like I mentioned earlier. My first one from last week was ninjas, and so this is just a little bit more advanced, building out, fleshing it out a little bit more. Well, I guess we'll see when it gets to the example 3, project 3, sorry, exactly how I'll expand it out. This should be able to expand this out pretty well. Another thing that I think is kind of fun is in my outreach function, which is the string function. So the first, I create a variable right here. I go ahead and create an array of all the little pieces. Then I create a variable with a random number that's within the length of the array. And then I set the connector, in this case, to that random number that's within the array. So essentially, with this one quick variable assignment long string, I've gone ahead and selected a new connector that is a random one from the connectors array. So this way I can say, for example, that Frank is coming, wants you to join the order, which is the 5 stars, and then said that to Steve. So that's pretty cool. Pretty basic. Goes ahead and dumps it all to the console, which if you're using Safari, I'll go ahead and just pull that up right here. You just do inspect element, and that'll find us this bad boy here. And here's actually all the output together. Firefox isn't the only one with a web inspector. Most browsers, good browsers, IE doesn't, but Chrome and the other ones, they do. So that's a review of what I did for Project 2, and hopefully I'll see you all for Project 3.